So in general, I think that Nietzsche is he has his weak points, but he is a much more positive thinker than he's given credit for, both by philosophers and by comparative literature, people who read him a lot, and by the public in general. He's still seen as an anti-Semite by many people. It's a complete fabrication. Now, he had certain anti-Semitic feelings, like everybody did at the time. Nobody was beyond it. But when his sister married the head of the anti-Semitic movement in France, in Germany, he was livid, absolutely livid. And one of the things that he wrote to her is, do you realize what that's going to be to me? To have you married to this Nazi? Anti-Semite. And the project in South America, they went and built a city in South America, Nueva Germania, they called it. It fell apart. She came back. She was very much a Nazi, and spent a lot of time trying to get Hitler to come to Weimar, to the Nietzsche archive. And there's a picture of Nietzsche looking at Nietzsche's bust, actually very suspiciously. He's looking at him. And she's the one who wrote his biography, in which she projected a much more conservative, authoritarian view than he actually holds, and sort of identified him with the Nazi movement. But he would have hated that. He hated Bismarck. He hated the German Reich. He thought it was completely culturally decadent and sort of despicable, in fact. So no, he would not at all be pleased with what happened to him.